In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and download your design for professional printing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your file, export it correctly, and send it off for a clean, professional result. Start by opening your existing design, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Before you place any photos or text, make sure your design size matches the exact print dimensions you need. If your final piece is a 5 by 7 postcard, set the canvas to 5 inches by 7 inches. If it's an A4 flyer, choose A4. Double-check orientation and units so there are no surprises later. Matching the canvas size to your print size from the start prevents scaling issues that can soften images or shift the layout. As you design, keep all text, logos, and other important elements inside safe margins and away from the edges. Printers trim stacks of paper, and tiny shifts can cut too close. A simple rule of thumb is to leave a comfortable buffer around the perimeter, so headlines, body copy, and key graphics aren't at risk. If your design goes to the edge with a background color or photo, make sure that background extends slightly past the canvas edge to allow for a clean trim later. When you're ready to export, click Share, then Download. In the File Type options, select PDF Print to get high-quality output. This format is ideal for preserving crisp lines, sharp text, and consistent layout. It also helps avoid the compression and color banding you might see with standard image formats. If you see quality settings, choose the highest available option to maintain detail. Before you finalize, look for the option to toggle crop marks and bleed. Turn these on only if your printer or printing service requires them. Crop marks show where the paper will be trimmed, and bleed adds that tiny extra edge of artwork so color or images reach the edge cleanly after trimming. If your design has full bleed backgrounds or images, enabling bleed is essential. If your design has generous white margins and nothing touches the edge, you may not need bleed, but follow your printer's guidelines. Now click Download. Save the file with a clear name so it's easy to identify. Finally, send the PDF to your printer or preferred printing service. Include any notes about size, paper type, and whether you've added crop marks and bleed. That's it. Your design is set up for a smooth, professional print.